In this video, I'm going to show you how to equip the Korblox leg in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. So this is the Korblox deaf speaker right leg, as you can see here. So now if you want to go ahead and have a look and see what it looks like on your character, you can do this by just doing a Google search, Roblox Korblox leg. Make sure to spell it right. Click on the first link here, and then it's going to take you over to roblox.com and you can view it here and with your character as well. So go ahead and click on try on and you can see what your character looks like, and you can look at the 2D as well, or 3D. Okay, in order to get this, we need to go ahead and open up our Roblox player. So make sure to sign into your account. From here on the left hand side, I'm going to go ahead and click on avatar. And then once you're inside your avatar, we need to go ahead and click on the customize tab, and then click on the head and body, and then this is a right leg, so you want to click on right leg. And now if you've got it, you're going to be able to click it here and equip it onto your character. So I don't currently have it, but it's going to appear here. Go ahead and click onto it to equip it to your character.